Hey folks, I just wrapped up 4 days of travel, education, training, networking, meeting with up to 100 travel suppliers, all put on by my host travel agency, KHM Travel Group. They're out of Cleveland, Ohio, and every year they put on the Crystal Conference. That allows us to come together with our fellow agents. I think there were over 400 agents here this year. And we also celebrate each other's successes, including, I came away with the, there you go, maybe you can see it, the Rising Star Award, which is given out to, I guess, the fastest rising star at KHM. So yeah, thank you. And I also was awarded the top agent for Virgin Voyages this year as well. In fact, I'm going to go have dinner with Virgin Voyages in just a little bit. But one thing that really stands out about this conference, and it's a thing that I always talk about, which is quality over quantity. You know, there are other host agencies and other travel agents out there that you may see, you know, not only trying to sell travel, but they're also trying to sell, hey, you can start your own business. Oh, you can do this, you can do that, and become a travel agent. And it's so easy, you can sell in your sleep. Well, first of all, being a travel agent is not easy. It's a lot of work. And at KHM Travel Group, they emphasize the quality of the agent over having the quantity of the agents. You know, there are other host agencies out there that are much larger than KHM. We're like around 5,100, 5,200 travel agents. But KHM actually interviews every single agent that wants to join and makes sure that we're serious about what we're doing. And the most important thing that KHM does, and that we do as KHM travel agents, we only sell travel. We don't try to build network. We don't try to sell you travel opportunities and travel business opportunities. Those are two completely separate things. So it emphasized to me just how amazing my KHM colleagues are. We all help each other. And when you're looking for a travel agent, make sure you go find one that only sells travel. Whether it's me or one of my many colleagues out there, if you're going to somebody who's also selling an opportunity, that means their attention is split. You know, half of their attention is building their network and building that pyramid of people underneath them, and then the other half is selling travel. You want to work with somebody who just sells travel. Those are the people that are going to take care of you. Again, I would love to be that person, but if it's not me, one of my many amazing colleagues at KHM Travel, or there are thousands of really good travel agents out there. So pick the ones that only sell travel, and maybe look for the ones that might work in slightly smaller travel agencies versus the big mega agencies. We have some really good travel partners that we work with. But folks, if we can help you in any way with any of your travel, land, luxury, cruise, expedition, wherever you want to go in this amazing world, just reach out. where'swaltertravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.